Before we start this video, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Imagine this, you create a simple $29 digital product, just once. You upload it to a free website, and weeks later it starts selling. One copy, then 10, then 100. You wake up and see emails like, "You've got a new sale," day after day. Now imagine that same product eventually earns enough to replace your full-time job. Quietly, automatically, and without showing your face. Sound far-fetched? It's not. It's already happening. And in this video, we'll break down exactly how. You'll learn what kind of digital product this was, why the $29 price point worked, how it was marketed without a big audience, and how this became a fully passive system that replaced a 9-to-5 income. Let's dive in. Let's start with the obvious question. Why digital products? Because they give you something most businesses can't: leverage. When you sell a physical product, you have to restock. When you freelance, you trade hours for money. But when you create a digital product, like a template, a guide, or a system, you build it once, and it can sell thousands of times without lifting a finger. There's no shipping, no inventory, no Zoom calls, and no team required. This is how one $29 product ended up earning tens of thousands of dollars, without ads, without showing your face, and without quitting a day job, at least at first. This wasn't a course, it wasn't a webinar, it was a Notion-based system called a Freelance operating system. It included a project tracker, invoice log, client notes, monthly revenue dashboard, built-in reminders and automation. It was clean, functional, plug and play, built to solve one thing: disorganization for freelancers. That's it. $29 might seem like a random number, but it's strategic. It's low enough to feel like a no-brainer, high enough to generate real income, just under most refund thresholds. Plus, at that price, people don't overthink. They click buy, use it, and move on. If it saves them 3 hours a month, it's worth it. That's the magic of micro products. The creator wasn't targeting everyone. They zoomed in on solo freelancers, people juggling 5 or more tools and losing track of everything. These buyers needed help organizing clients and deadlines, wanted to look more professional, and didn't want another course or tutorial, just a tool. That's who this product was made for, and that's why it sold. The product wasn't just a single Notion page, it came with a welcome dashboard, setup instructions, a bonus checklist, and screen-recorded walkthroughs. No voice, no face. That gave it perceived weight. It felt like a real system, not just a download. Remember, buyers judge digital products by presentation. This one looked premium, even though it was simple. Everything ran through Gumroad. No website needed. Gumroad handled product page setup, payments, file delivery, customer receipts, and email collection. It was the engine behind the passive system. No tech headaches, just upload and go. So, how did it get traction? Not YouTube, not TikTok, not ads. The creator used 3 underrated channels. 1, Pinterest, clean product mockups, scheduled through Tailwind, linked directly to Gumroad, pins ranked for weeks, even months. 2, Reddit. Helpful posts in subreddits like r Freelance and r Notion. No spam, just value and soft mentions of the product. 3, Medium. 1 blog post, how I manage my entire freelance workflow in Notion. Told a story, showed visuals, linked at the end. No followers needed, just content that helped. This is key. No one knew who made it. There was no Instagram page, no photo, no name on the product. It still sold because it solved a problem. It looked clean, it worked well, it was priced right, You don't need a personal brand, you need a useful solution that looks like it was made for someone just like the buyer. Once the product had over 100 sales, the machine started running itself. Gumroad promoted it to new visitors. Pinterest pins gained momentum. Reddit posts stayed active for months. The creator added a second product, bundled the two together, gave away a freebie version to grow an email list. Suddenly, it wasn't just one product, it was a system. Let's do the math. $29 times 4 sales per day equals $116. That's $3,480 per month before bundles or upsells. By month 6, the creator was averaging over $4,000 per month. No calls, no clients, no burnout. This wasn't passive income theory. It was real, working income from a single product. If you're watching this wondering, can I do this? Yes, here's your roadmap. Pick one niche and one annoying problem. Solve it with a clean, usable tool. Host it on Gumroad. Use Pinterest or Reddit for faceless traffic. Add a bonus. Keep it visual. Don't sell everything. Sell one thing that works. Then iterate. That's how real digital income is built. Courses sound great, but here's the truth. They're hard to sell, take forever to make, and come with pressure, refunds, and support tickets. By contrast, digital tools deliver value fast, sell for under $30. Don't require weekly updates, get used immediately. You're not trying to change someone's life, you're giving them a shortcut, and that shortcut pays you, again and again. 100 sales changes everything. Now you have real customer feedback, proof of product market fit, and data on pricing and traffic. From here you can raise your price, launch a second product, create a bundle, or start an affiliate stack. One product becomes a library, a side hustle becomes an income engine. Let's look at a few real reviews from the $29 system. I finally feel like a real business owner. This made me drop my chaotic spreadsheets. I didn't know I needed this until I had it. That's the win. Not hype, not flexes, just helping someone feel calmer, smarter, and more in control. Not all products go viral, but the ones that do tend to check 5 boxes. 1. Clarity. You can explain what it is in one sentence. 2. Transformation. The afterstate is clearly better. From overwhelmed to organized. 3. Proof. Screenshots, reviews, or even subtle stats help build trust. 4. Aesthetic. People share what looks good. Clean design equals more shares. 5. Emotion. Does your product offer relief, control, confidence? Tap into the feeling, not just the feature. If your product hits even 3 out of 5, you're on track. All 5? You might wake up to 100 sales a day. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who wants to ditch their 9 to 5 and subscribe for more faceless income breakdowns. Thanks for watching. And remember, your next $1,000 idea doesn't need to be flashy. It just needs to be useful. This video was for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before starting any business or investment.